are here with us today. My name is Sanaz Mamarzadeh. I'm a surgeon scientist at UCLA. I'm also very privileged to be able to direct the Go Discovery Research Laboratory at UCLA. As a surgeon and a clinician, I take care of patients in the clinic who are diagnosed with gynecologic cancers. And in the lab, my team focuses on studying two gynecologic cancers, specifically ovarian and subtypes of uterine and endometrial cancer. I'm thrilled to have an opportunity to introduce you to members of my team who do this amazing work. I wish you were here with us today. I hope through this video we're able to share with you some of the exciting work that we're doing. Our goal is really to help improve lives of women impacted by gynecologic cancer through research. Today, you'll meet amazing members of my team who are performing this research and also collaborating with many other investigators, including scientists and clinicians at UCLA. Thank you.
Every project we work on in the lab comes from a clinical question. Our major goal is to understand how ovarian cancers and uterine cancers work so we can develop new and better treatments for patients diagnosed with these diseases. To achieve these goals, we're using state-of-the-art technologies and innovative techniques to make discoveries in the lab. We are so honored to work collaboratively with leading scientists, clinicians, and students at UCLA and around the country, and we're excited to share some of that work with you today.
Innovative tools to model gynecologic tumors using disease in a dish models. These models allow us to essentially grow a miniature tumor outside of the body in a scientifically controlled environment. From there, we can test new drugs and combination therapies to assess how well they work compared to standard drugs currently being used in the clinic. In collaboration with other scientists at UCLA, we are using these miniature tumor models to test hundreds of different drugs simultaneously. These drugs are currently being tested in clinical trials for other cancers, but not necessarily for gynecologic cancers. If these drugs are effective in targeting gynecologic cancer cells, these could provide a rationale for exploring these drugs in clinical trials for ovarian and uterine cancers. This work could eventually lead to identifying new effective treatments for these diseases.
One of the major challenges in treatment of ovarian cancer is that tumors can become more resistant to chemotherapy over time. We are utilizing a new technology called CyTOF to closely investigate tumor cells that are resistant to chemotherapy. With this technology, we can compare these resistant cells to other cancer cells to see what makes them different. This work may identify a unique signature of these therapy-resistant cells, allowing us to potentially isolate and discover new treatments that can better target them.
Immune therapies have provided a major breakthrough in the treatment of some cancers. However, their success has been somewhat limited in ovarian cancer. We are working with leading immunology collaborators at UCLA to explore innovative ways so that we can power the immune system to better fight cancer. One kind of approach that we are exploring utilizes powerful immune cells that specifically look for and target a protein on the outside of ovarian cancer cells. This approach, if successful using our model systems, we hope to bring to a clinical trial. This approach, as well as others we're exploring in the lab, could provide new breakthroughs for immunotherapies in ovarian cancer.
Part of the mission of the Go Discover Lab is training a new generation of scientists who can make contributions to the field. As a graduate student, I'm learning valuable skills that I can utilize in my career to hopefully make new and exciting discoveries.
Our team is working very hard in the laboratory to make discoveries that can help patients diagnosed with gynecologic cancers. To achieve these goals, we are using leading-edge technologies, collaborating with other top scientists, and training the next generation of researchers. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more of our work with you again.